Morning guys, today we've got here HTC U24 Pro and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So to start entering the codes, you need to open Phone Dealer, then Keypad, and this is the place to enter the codes. Let's start with the short one. It's *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you all necessary device information. So whenever you look for email or serial number, just provide this code and you will be able to notice both of them. Tap on OK to exit. Then another code you can use here is *##, *##, 225, #*#. And here we've got the calendar info. So once you enter this code, you will be able to see all upcoming events, like by all I mean all that are like from all calendars that you have added to this device. So from Gmail, iOS calendar, this device's internal storage calendar, and so on. Just provide this code and you will not be surprised by any upcoming event. So let's go back. And another code that you can provide here, it's *##, 426, *##. And here you've got FCM Diagnostic panel. You can check your events and status. So these are quite necessary information. However, if you wish to explore it a bit more, select this three dots icon and mark Advanced View. And now you will be able to get all necessary details. So this is it. And actually, these are all codes that I want to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.